is selling other people's products. You can call it reselling. Most people have done this. Most people are doing it. I don't know if you yourself you've done it. Me, I did it at one time, and I found there is a day I got around 1,000 dirham. That was 1 million. But it did not. I want us to be honest. Suppose you're earning $1 per day from what you already do, what you're already doing. Let's see. It's $1. Get your calculator and we see $1 times 30 days. That is $30. $30. Put it in your currency, like in my 108 Ugandan shillings, just using what you're already doing. To be honest, you guys, today we're going to be talking about the 5 best and easiest ways for you to make money with WhatsApp. When we're talking about WhatsApp, we mean the WhatsApp, the app that you use for messaging, you use for communicating with your loved ones. You understand what I mean. If you know WhatsApp is for, I mean this one, the WhatsApp. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at the 5 best and easiest ways to make money, at least make $1 with WhatsApp. Big disclaimer, these are WhatsApp money tips are only 10% right. 90% you are going to go and start researching. You're going to go and look whether you can manage. At least for you 90% to really come to pass, you have to be consistent. You have to be you have to set your mindset to know that I want money. I want at least $1 from this, and at the same time you have to do the doables. You have to show up. You have to do the actions. It's not about saying that WhatsApp gives you $1 and above, and you think if I put my WhatsApp, I'm going to put my account, and get money. No. It's mind-blowing video. This is Immaculate. It can be good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, depending on the time you're going to see this video. So I always bring for you tips about making money with your smartphone, with the skills that you do on a daily basis without investing anything. What you invest in the consistency, you invest in your timing, you invest in your focus and action at large. Before we dive in, you guys, let me appreciate the people that have been with us for 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, 1 month, 1 day. The engagers, you're so awesome. With this social media and making money online, it depends on how active people are, how the retention, the way they come to you, the way they engage you in one way or the other. So I really thank you very much. God bless you for me, the top engagers. Let's dive in. But you guys, let me first tell you about WhatsApp. WhatsApp is not a money app. I think you know that. WhatsApp is not a money app, but it's a powerful distribution tool. It's a tool that as an ordinary person, you can use it. Even a P1 chap, even a primary kid is using a smartphone. And when they are using smartphone, it means they have a lot of chances to make money with their smartphones. So you might not get millions overnight, but really money that pays, you can get like money that pays you on at least for daily bills, for your mocktail and other things. So let me show you the 5 best ways that are realistic to make money using this WhatsApp. Very realistic ones. I want you to underline disclaimer, the realistic ones. The first one is selling other people's products. You can call it reselling. Most people have done this. Most people are doing it. I don't know if you yourself you've done it. Me, I did it at one time, and I found there is a day I got around 1,000 dirham. That was 1 million. But it did not come in a day. It came in a process. So this is the easiest strategy and easiest way for beginners. You don't need capital, by the way. You don't need to be to have stock. You don't need to have a shop. What you need to know that, okay, I need this. You find someone with a product, then products, what do you sell? You can sell like clothes, you can sell like cosmetics, you can sell digital products, and you earn commission. What you need to do here is, this is a pro tip, you need to post products on your WhatsApp status daily, and at the same time you need to be there to reply DMs. You have to connect to the sellers and you get paid. It is in two ways. You can get commission out of from the owner of the product, or you can even put on top of the product, you put your own money, like you put some percentage, so you can earn even the two way. But the truth I want to tell you about here, if you have no audience, you guys, if you don't have audience, you won't sell. But there's one or the other that you can get the audience. If you post once a week, you won't sell. This is the truth. If your consistency is not there, you won't sell. So what says you is consistency. What says you is your products, your audience, and what sells you is your showing up and your interest and action. So get to know from me that WhatsApp will not give you the money when you're not consistent. Consistency pays you. It's not WhatsApp that pays you, but WhatsApp is a tool that you'll use to give you money. The second one is WhatsApp status marketing for business. Many small business don't know how to sell online, trust me, but you do. What you need to do, you need to do these things I'm going to tell you today. Other businesses have simple ways, like the ones simple services. For example, let me post your product on my WhatsApp status for 7 days, and after posting this one, you can charge small money, affordable, but at least the same thing, you need to be consistent. When you're charging small money, one business pays little, but the 10 business will pay big. Because if you're selling, you're getting like 10 businesses and you're putting their products there. For example, you're putting immaculate links. If you're putting immaculate links and people are coming from there, and you're putting another person product, you are 10. The moment you're 10, it means one is small, one is $1, but 10 will be $10. So this is the easiest way for you to start. But this is a disclaimer. I always put for you a disclaimer. If your status has no engagement, business won't pay you. So you need to first build trust and active viewers. How do you build them? I want you to use other platforms. You use other platforms like Facebook, like Instagram. The moment you use these platforms, you connect them, you connect it with your WhatsApp. I'm telling you, you'll thank me later. The third one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing using WhatsApp is superb. This one, it works silently. What you do, you join affiliate links, affiliate program links, and these ones we have like Amazon apps website like Amazon, and even the online services. So you share a personal experience, not links only. You tell stories, you understand, you use this app, and you'll talk a lot of things. You will learn with time. WhatsApp is about relationship, not spamming links, because spamming links are not good. You spam people and you lose trust with people. So trust and you earn, meaning that with WhatsApp is not giving you money, but it is a medium that the moment people trust you and you put your experience and affiliate links, you'll earn. Then the fourth is teaching what you know, like what I'm doing, mini trainings and others. You don't need to be an expert, you only need to be one step ahead. Yeah, and like if you're watching me, I might be one step ahead of you. Some of you didn't know that WhatsApp you can teach from there. So you can teach like things like how to use your TikTok, how to apply for jobs online, how to apply, how to save money. What is your experience? How to start YouTube with a phone? There are some individuals like in my country didn't know that you can do YouTube and earn money. You earn a living. You can even go ahead, like, you create a WhatsApp group, you charge a small entry fee. Then with time, value brings referrals, value brings money. Last but not least is daily problem solving, service-based income. Service-based income, here we talk about money follows problems. Ask yourself, what problems do people complain about daily on WhatsApp? Then you start like CV writing, account setup, online registration, all these ones, social media platforms, all these ones will give you money. Business flyers, if you can solve one problem, you can earn. WhatsApp just connects you to people. So you guys, the reality is, let me repeat this.